Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's wig is from Omgherhair and we're working with this brown wig that came pre-plucked and pre-bleached. It came with a clean hairline, so I really don't need to do anything to this wig aside from install the wig. And it comes with adjustable straps at the back of the wig and a comb as well. So this is a 13x6 lace front wig, and I really like the fact that, you know, there's enough lace all around the wig, not just in the center of the wig, so you guys can see what the hairline looks like. And this is their HD lace. It looks amazing. The first thing I'm going to do is to apply some foundation, you know, just to help the lace match my skin tone better. So here's what the wig looks like, and now I'm just going to go ahead and install the wig. You guys can see how good the lace looks against my skin tone. I'm going to take my Bedhead Extreme Hold Spray to glue my wig down today. this is what the wig looks like, and can I just say the lace on this wig is absolutely, it's everything, because it's literally undetectable, like you can't see the lace. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and define my part just a bit more. I'm gonna apply some concealer. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to spray some hairspray on my edge brush. And then I'm just going to use that to kind of keep my hair in place, especially at the front. Because one thing I've noticed is that by the time you're like playing with your hair and everything, this front part kind of just gets messed up. So using the hairspray like this just keeps the hair in place, and it stays like that all day basically. So that brings me to the end of this video. This wig was so easy to install. So like I said, this wig is from Omgherhair, and this is the Chestnut wig. It's a 13x6 lace front wig, and the lace on this wig is everything. Honestly guys, I'm gonna zoom all the way in so you guys can see what I'm working with, because the lace is literally undetectable. You can't even, where this literally blends into my skin so well, and the hair itself is just so soft and so silky. So the density of the wig is 180, and this is a 22-inch wig, so it's literally up to my waist. So yeah, I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description bar below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.